Hello, fashion lover. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I promised you I'm going to be teaching you another method on how to achieve this handkerchief skirt with elastic waistband. So here's the tutorial and I want you to pay close attention to it. Now, if this video is what you would love to learn, let's get right into the main video. And please subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, I folded my fabric into two first. Now, the same way you want to fold you want to cut your flay, is the same way you're going to be folding this fabric, right? I'm using a chiffon fabric and the length is over length 60, all right, 60 inches. So when I fold like this, one part is longer than the other part, all right? So as you can see, this part I'm taking measurement of is about 28. All right, then the other part is the longer part, so the other part you cannot determine whatever length you want to use. All right, so this usually happens with fabrics that are length 60. Let's calculate the waist circumference together of this skirt. Now you will be using your hip measurements. Now your hip measurements plus 10 inches, that's 10 extra inches, you can make it 9, divided by 6.24, which is the pi radius for this particular circle skirt. Now what I got, I will mark it down like this. So I'm using 9 inches, which is what I got. Go ahead and do your own maths and get the correct, accurate inches that you'll be needing for this. All right, so I went ahead. Now if you notice the way I place my measurement tape to cut out the waist circumference. So I'm done. I'm going to be verifying what the length on this side will look like. That's 19. So on this other long, this will be the long part. Now the long part, now I'll be determining what I want. I'll be marking what I want. So I'm going to be using, the other side is 19. On this other longer part, now I'll be using like 24. Okay, you can decide to use 25 as long as you want yours to be. So that 25, I'm going to be marking it straight down. All right, I'm going to be using my ruler to mark it straight down till I get to the end of the folded fabric, as you can see. So I'm going ahead now to cut out the remaining pieces. Now during the course of this particular tutorial, I realized that the fabric was not enough to do the extended peplum that I did in my previous video. So if you want to know how to do your extended peplum, you can still go back and watch that particular video. So most importantly, you would want to notch every part of this flay skirt, this handkerchief skirt. Okay, it helps to know which is the back, which is the front, which you want to use by the side and the rest. So I'm done. I'm going to be trimming off the excesses of this fabric. Okay, so go ahead and do the same thing you see me do, and you're going to be achieving exactly what it's on there on this video. All right, okay, now I'm done cutting and I'm going to be opening for you to see. So I'll choose to open one side and this is what it looks like. You see how big the waist is. If you don't want yours to be big like this, you can reduce the excess allowance of 10 inches to like 5 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, depending on how you want your waist to be. Okay, so now I'm going to be going ahead now to take measurement of the round waist circumference. Whatever I get, I'm going to be cutting my band with that same number of inches I got. So right here, you see this notch and this notch here and this notch. It helps to just know the sides. All right, so I'm just going to, if you're going to be using your extended peplum, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to take measurement of this front like this. Whatever you get, you add extra probably 10 inches for the sides to just drop. But I'm not going to be using an extended peplum, so I'll go ahead now and cut out my band. So the band for this skirt is about 33. That's on fold. So the entire band is about, the entire circumference will be about 66. All right, you see how wide it is. So if you don't want yours to be wide like that, I've told you initially that you reduce it from 10 inches to like 7, 6, 4. All right, so I'm done cutting the band. and the width or wideness of this band is about 6 inches. When it's unfold, it becomes 3 inches. Then when I'm sewing on my fabric with half an inch, remaining inches there will be 2.5, because I'm going to be using a 2.5 inches elastic on this. So next is I notch my band. So I determine where the middle of this skirt will be already, and I'll put them together and sew all the way around. All right. Now this is the rope I want to use, or the drawstring I want to use. As you can see, I'm going ahead to measure it. Whatever I get is what I want to use. You can decide to use 40 inches as long as you want. Okay, now to get these drawstrings, you fold half an inch on one end and half an inch on the other end, and bring them together and sew round. So I didn't show the part where I fixed the elastic, but if you have been following my videos, fixing elastic into a band is not a case. All right, so this is what the band looks like, and I'm going to be sewing on top of this band, this elastic waistband. Now if you don't want to sew yours, you can as well leave it like this. It's still beautiful. All right, but I want it to have that jogger look, so I'm going to go ahead now to also hem the hem of this skirt. If you know that it's going to be difficult for you to hem, just go ahead and weave your skirt. All right, so this is my drawstrings. So initially, if you wanted to put the drawstring, you'll have by now determined the center where you put your the center, and you create a little opening hole that you can fix your elastic. But because I'm not going to be fixing my elastic, I'm going to just attach it on the center front of this skirt. All right, now this will help me determine, oh, this is my front, this is the front part of my skirt. Okay, I've gone ahead to sew round on my band, so I'm just going to attach my drawstring on the front side of the skirt. Now I will lift it up like this and just sew on it, and that is all. So let me show you what this skirt looks like on the mannequin. This is what this skirt looks like. Very pretty, very nice. So if this is your first time of watching my video, please endeavor to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and watch several or previous video I've uploaded, and you will enjoy it. Bye.